This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your password on Snapchat. To protect your Snapchat account, you can change your password monthly or weekly. And changing your password is very quick process. Follow the step-by-step guide to change your password on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Tap on password. Enter here your current password. And here, write your new password. Confirm the password here. Confirm the password here. And that's how you can change your password on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.